How to export LastPass to Bitwarden. So first is log into your LastPass account, and in the left sidebar you just simply need to go to the advanced options, which is on the bottom. Then you will see the option of export under the manage your vault section. So just simply click on export and an email will be sent to you. So you just simply need to open up your email that you have used and logging in of your LastPass account. So you will see this email, so you just simply need to verify the export. Just simply click on continue export. Then go back to your LastPass account, go back to advanced options, click on export again, and you will need to input your LastPass login details. And after that, it will automatically download the file. So as you can see, this will pop up after you have logged in. So you simply click on save. Now, once you have your CSV file, you simply need to log into your Bitwarden account via the browser extension or the desktop app. So I'm currently on the web app. Then you just simply need to navigate to the settings tab here on the left side. Now, once you're here, you just simply need to either click on the import data if you haven't have any data right here on your Bitwarden account. So there should be an option on import data under the get started section, or you can just simply go to tools here on the left sidebar. Then there's an import data option right there. And here you could name it and also select the folder. And here is where you will choose the file. And if I click on it, I could just simply go to where I downloaded the CSV file, which is right here, and click on it, then click on open to basically paste it right there. Then you select the file format. So this is from LastPass. So I'm just going to select LastPass and click on import data, click on OK. And as you can see, it has been transferred just like that. That is how you basically export LastPass to Bitwarden.